In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to resolve an issue where an iPhone is not receiving text messages. Firstly, ensure that your phone has a strong signal. If it displays no service, this could be the reason for not receiving SMS text messages. Next, go to your phone settings. Scroll down to Messages, and click on it. If you are expecting an message text, go to Send and Receive. There, you can select the emails and phone numbers from which you can send and receive messages. Scroll down and find Filter Unknown Senders. Turn this feature off to prevent potential messages from being filtered into a separate list and potentially missed. Lastly, check your blocked contacts. If you are expecting a message from a specific person but not receiving it, ensure they are not on this list. If the issue persists, consider restarting your iPhone.